Market dynamics are incessantly changing, and that is why higher education should facilitate our understanding of emerging trends and strengthen our decision making. If you are looking for universities offering cutting-edge curricula supporting the latest technicalities, we are here to take you through the parameters that make them a commendable choice. Hello friends, welcome to Education Mitra, आपकी शिक्षा का सारथी. I am Sunita with you. Today we are presenting details about the Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. ये इंस्टीट्यूट एक प्राइवेट डीम्ड टू बी यूनिवर्सिटी है जो हरियाणा में लोकेटेड है. Its offices are spread across the country such as Lucknow, Chandigarh, Indore, Kota, Delhi, Varanasi, Hyderabad, Guwahati and Patna. This is UGC and AICTE approved and has coveted accreditations from NAAC with grade A and NBA. It nurtures young minds to gear up with a world-class competitive edge. अब बात करते हैं मानव रचना इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड स्टडीज के एकेडमिक्स की. So it offers different professional programs with specialization through online formats. Programs include BBA General, Banking, Digital Marketing, BA Honors in Economics, BCom General, ACCA, BCA with Cyber Security, Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, MCOM. The industry-aligned curriculum of professional programs makes students industry-ready and guarantees to yield an incredible outcome of job placement offers. Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies believes in providing promising job opportunities, and that is why its placement cell conducts conducive placement endeavors which are student-friendly and apt to draw big brands for placement and recruitment of students here. Top recruiters. Top recruiters की बात करें तो Institute has collaboration with prominent industry partners to offer global career opportunities. Some of them include Reliance, Deccan, IBM, Honda, Quick Heal, Intel, Microsoft, Mitsubishi Electric, Amazon, HCL, HSBC, Accenture, Paytm, Deloitte, Yamaha, Ericsson, NIIT, VLCC, Sony, Samsung, Capgemini, HDFC Bank, Tata Steel and many more. So join the world-class Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies and have access to the heritage of excellence in quality education. I hope this information helps you a lot, and if not, आप comment section में अपनी queries and requests लिख सकते हैं and we will definitely go through it and solve that. Me Sunita signing off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the notification. For more such informative videos, keep watching Education Mitra, आपकी शिक्षा का सारथी.